Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a few tips on how to edit on CapCut. These are just simple stuff here. So to split your videos in half or like cut off like the end or the beginning of your video, to split it, select this icon. If you want to split and delete left, select this. If you want to split and delete right, select that. Sorry. Okay. Then here is where you can crop your videos. This is where you can freeze frame your videos. So here, as you can see, I froze it. This is where you can reverse your videos. You can mirror your videos here. You can rotate your videos here. You can add transcripts, split scenes, remove background, auto adjust, enhance visuals, extract audio, and enhance audio. You can also use keyframes here. For instance, you want to zoom in, select a keyframe, and then like zoom it in here, and then it's going to like zoom in, as you can see. And then you can also use all of these. You can add animations to the beginning and the end of your videos here. So for instance, this airplane mode one, flash in, this one's new. It is a pro feature though. There's also an out animation here. And then there is a combo animation. Oh, that's making me dizzy. You can also adjust the duration here, by the way. Okay. Now, you can also add effects here to your videos. There's a bunch of effects you can add on. Some of them you do need pro feature for it. But that is pretty much it. There's also filters, video transitions that you can add in between clips. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.